Welcome to Online OHS training tutorials. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use some of the new features in the Online OHS system. The Online OHS system is constantly being upgraded. With new work, health and safety laws, the Online OHS system has included some new major features. The first change you will notice is that when you log into the system as an admin user, the system will open up the Quick Links page. The Quick Links page has been designed for quick and easy access to all registers in the system. There also has been a change to the employee login process. When an employee is entered into the system, they now can be related to more than one site, which is a major new change in the system. If an employee is related to a single site, the system will recognize the employee and open up the site icon page for the site they are related to. If they are related to more than one site, the system will open up the site register, where only the sites the employees are related to will be shown. This is a great new feature which will make it easier for the employee to access the system. Another feature on the site icon page is the new management icon. This icon is only visible to employees who have been given the permission level of management, a new permission level in the system. By selecting the management icon, you'll be able to see a site-specific user admin dashboard. This new feature will make each site self-sufficient, with the major registers in the system becoming global registers for all the sites. In the User Admin Dashboard section, both the global and site-specific admins, there are two new major features. Firstly, the meeting register. With new work, health and safety laws, consultation with employees is a new major change. With this new feature, you can build a meeting using the unique meeting builder. Once the type of meeting has been selected, you then can relate the meeting to a site and also a date requested. You can add a meeting agenda and also the topics to be discussed. By selecting the Add More Input field, you can add another topic to be discussed. Add as many topics as needed. You can relate the meeting to a previous meeting and also notify employees who are needed to attend. Employees selected here with email addresses will be sent an email alert to attend the meeting. Employees who do not have an email address will be highlighted at the top of the meeting register after you select the Save button. The system turns the data entered into a meeting template, which then can be printed. Once you have printed the template and undertaken the meeting, then select the Edit button to enter the data back into the system. When a meeting is undertaken, outcomes and actions are usually developed. This leads us to another new major feature, the Action Register. When you enter the data back into the meeting template, you can also select an action to be undertaken and by a person responsible and a due date. This action will be placed in the Action Register and highlighted in red. When completed, just select the Edit button and add when the action was completed. The Action Register is also linked to numerous registers and processes in the system. Firstly, the Hazard Control Measures section. When you undertake developing control measures, these control measures still need to be implemented. Therefore, they now can be actioned. The same can be said for the corrective measures developed in the Accident Supervisor Report. These corrective measures can now be turned into an action for someone to implement. The Checklist Register also has the action process. You can also set and add action to be undertaken in the Action Register itself. This new Action Register will be a great way to highlight your efforts in providing a safe workplace. Another great new feature in the system is the new maintenance feature in the plant and equipment section. Here you can upload documents that were developed when the plant and equipment was serviced. A similar feature can now be found in the Safe Work Method Register to prove that the safe work method had been used and on a certain date. You can even upload signed copies back into the system. There is also an upload feature now in the accident module, so you can upload accident details and documents relating to the incident. All these new features will help you show a history of compliance and now make it easier for your employees to use the system. For more information, visit our website.